Lukas here with FastCap.
And this is the Saw Hoodie from FastCap. It's an awesome little saw hood that fits into the accessory ports on your saw and sets up literally in just seconds, so there's no reason you'd ever not set it up on your saw. And it does an awesome job of collecting all the dust while you're cutting. So cut after cut, throws all the dust into there. Has a vacuum port on the bottom, so even without the vacuum port, do a bunch of cuts, you'll see all the dust is just contained in the saw hood. So I was at home and replacing my railing, and I was doing a fiber-on railing. I thought, how much mess could there be? So I didn't even bother to set up a vacuum, you know, that takes a while. But I did put my saw hoodie on because, well, that's easy. You can see at the end of the job, barely any dust anywhere, some on my fences, but look at that pile of sawdust inside the hood. That would have been all over the place without this guy. Now with larger saws, when you're doing angle cuts, it adds a little bit tight. So what I do is I just switch it from one accessory port to the other when I switch from angle to angle, and you can see how much dust it collected doing just that. But here's what I love about the Saw Hoodie is when you're all done, you just pop it out of your accessory ports, and it's basically a big collectible trash bin. So you can throw it on the ground, you can pick up extra scraps, throw them in there, carry them around the job site, grab your screws, everything you have left over just goes in this nice, easy to carry trash bag. And then when you're all done, all you got to do is roll your big trash receptacle, whatever it might be, over, and you can pick your Saw Hoodie up and just dump it into the trash can. Simple and easy. When you're done with that, it literally folds up again in just seconds. There's just 2 Velcro loops, so you collapse it down, grab the Velcro loops, and it's done. Put away, no mess, saves you a ton of time. For about the price of a normal hoodie that you wear yourself, I think if you own a saw, you need a Chop Shop Saw Hoodie from FastCap. Of course, the saw system I'm using in the background here, it's called the Best Fence Pro 3 system, breaks down in literally just a matter of minutes, so cleanup for the entire job is super, super fast and simple. You can find all these items on FastCap.com. You're going to love this product.